All right, so I got the original winch off, the winch that comes on the custom hauler when you purchase it. It's just a plastic imitation winch. It's not a functioning winch. It's cool looking, but it doesn't actually work. So what I wanted to do is actually have a winch that works. So I got one here. Now from looking at this, there's a mounting plate on the bottom, on the very bottom of this. Hopefully you can see it okay on video, but it looks like, from what I can tell, that mount is the winch that I purchased that I want to put on here. That's an actual working winch. Looks like it'll mount to the bottom of this mounting plate. So we're going to find out. It looks like it's just going to bolt right on there, and I can stick this right back on there real quick. So we're going to find out. So stay tuned. Okay, so there's the bottom of the winch, the base of the winch, the make-believe winch here. That's the winch that comes with the hauler when you purchase it. And it comes with this base. Now this mounts onto the guy here that flips up and down. And it looks like I'm going to be able to just mount that to the bottom of my winch. It looks like I'm going to have to reverse it, have this part here in the back of it, from what I can tell so far. But that'll be okay with me. So let's find out. Okay, so far so good. I'm using the existing plate, the plate that comes with the hauler on the bottom of my winch that I have here. And I can use the hole patterns. They match up perfect on the bottom. This is the black part is the plate that comes on the hauler. Man, hopefully you can see the screws okay there. There's 4. And they match up with the bottom of the winch perfectly. This is the plate that comes with the winch, or the one that I've got here. So I'm not going to use that. And I'm using the plate that comes with the hauler with their screws. And so far, I think that fits perfect, man. Those hole pattern matches up perfectly. And then looking ahead, it looks like I'm going to only be able to use 2 of the 3 holes that they have on this plate here to mount it to the hauler itself. I think that's fine. The 2 that are on the sides here, 1, 2, this one on the top here. I won't be able to use that. That'll actually be in the front. You'll see here in a minute. I think that's going to be enough, especially for this winch. I think that's going to be plenty. That's cool. So far, that's what I've got, and let's continue on. Okay, it's installed. That was almost too easy. I've got just 2 screws holding in here, but I think that's enough. The one that came on the hauler, the plate's still there, but I'm just using 2 of the screws instead of 3, and I think that's more than enough. Plenty. It is installed. I'll give you a closer look at this, but oh wow, do I like it so much better than the one that comes on the hauler. It'll be functioning, and it stands out being red. I just love everything about it. So let me give you a closer look at this. Okay, cool. Here's another look at it. Isn't that cool? Man, that looks way better. Way better. How cool. And then let me point out here real quick. There's one of the screws, and there's another one on the other side that I'm using to hold that down. And that's the plate. That's actually the plate that comes with the hauler. Yeah, bolted right on there. Talk about quick install. Super quick install. And man, does that look so much better. Love it. Let's get it powered up. I wanted to show you the other side here real quick to show you those 2 screws. So those are the 2 screws that are holding that winch down. I'm not using that one. There's a hole in the front there. Let's see right there. I'm not using that. That's okay. Yeah, I think that's enough. I think those 2 screws will be enough to hold that winch in place. And that's the plate that comes with the hauler. Just mounted to the bottom of that winch. I took the plate that comes with the winch off and just replaced it with the plate that comes with the hauler. Man, that looks so much better. Cool. All right, cool. The moment of truth. Let's find out if this winch works. I've got a battery hooked up to it. I've got my remote. And let's find out. Here we go. Here we go. Good stuff. Oh, yeah. There we go. Much better. Oh, yeah. Cool. Oh, man. That's awesome. I love it. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Love it. See if I can get you a closer view of that. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see the winch a little better. Check it out. Check it out. Here we go. Let's do it. Oh, yeah. Check that out. Man, that's awesome. Love it. Oh, man, that's cool. So much better. I just want to show one more time. This is just too cool. Check it out. Yeah. Man, that's awesome. I love it. How cool is that? We are in business. Very nice. All right, there we go. Thank you so much for watching. This has been an extremely fast, very quick install. And I should point out there's a reason why I'm not showing more of my hauler right now. It's because I have a special paint job on this that I'm going to reveal very, very soon. I'm super excited about. But I did want to get this winch on here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next Kibbs Cave episode. And take care. See you later. Bye now.